Hello. If you're listening to this video, that means you have purchased my Protection Spiritual Cleansing Kit. Thank you so very much. Now let's get into these detailed instructions. Included in your kit will be the following: a journal, sage, a protection and spiritual cleansing detox bath, a protection and spiritual cleansing candle, crystals, protection and spiritual cleansing oil, and a protection and spiritual cleansing aura spray. So, the very first thing that you're going to do, you're going to take your journal, okay? We're getting ready to do a mental dump. I want you to take that journal, get a pen, and write down whatever it is that you're feeling at this very present moment. Whatever it is that you got on your mind, we want to make sure that you get mental clarity. However it is that you feel, if there's somebody that has wronged you, let's write all of this stuff down in your journal. Followed by, I want you to write down some manifestations. Write down what you want to accomplish. Write down what you want to attract to you. Write down what you wish to see happen in your life within the next 7 days. Once that part is done, it's now time to sage. Yes, it's now time to sage. So you're going to get your sage out of your protection kit and make sure you have a lighter handy. You're going to light your sage and make sure you start in the very back of your home, okay? Make sure you let up some windows as well. You're going to start in the very back of your home, the room that is furthest away from your front door. All you're going to do is light the sage and start to sage yourself, okay? Just moving the sage around your body, slowly, around your head, around your arms. Like I said, your body, your torso area, your legs, and your feet. Now you're ready to sage the home. You're going to start walking through your home. Remember, make sure your windows are open. You're going to start walking through your home. In your mind, I want you to think about everything negative, everything that doesn't belong is being removed from your home. Any negative energy, any negative vibes, any negative spirits, anything negative is being removed from your home. If your sage goes out, that's completely okay. All you're going to do is relight it, okay? Continue to go through every room in your home until you make it to the front door. Once you make it through the front door, open up your door for all of that negativity to release from out of your home. If you don't quite know how to sage, if you're new to saging, then feel free to look up a YouTube video on how do I sage my home, okay? Or how do I sage myself? But that's the next step with your protection kit. Now for the fun part. You're ready for the spiritual cleansing, protection, detox bath, okay? You're going to grab your bath and you're going to take it to your restroom along with your candle, your oil, and your spray, okay, as well as your crystals. So you're going to take the remainder of your kit to your restrooms. Now you probably say, T, what if I don't have a bathtub? What if I only have a walk-in shower? Then that's completely okay as well. So if you're in a situation where you don't have a bathtub to soak and you only have a walk-in shower, then all you're going to do is get a large bowl, okay, and take it in there with you, okay? And so if you only have a shower, then you're going to put all of your contents from the bath inside of that bowl. You're going to stand in the shower while that hot water hits your shower, okay? But I'm going to explain in more details in just a moment. So once you get in the bathroom, you want to set the mood. The first thing you're going to do is place your candle on your counter or wherever you feel safe and go ahead and light that candle. Right beside your candle, you're going to place your crystals. Please feel free to take them out of the bag. However, you don't want your crystals to get wet. So like I said, somewhere on a countertop or anywhere that you feel safe, go ahead and place those crystals down, okay? Then you're going to go ahead and start to run your hot water into your bathtub. Now remember, this is not a bath where you're going to actually try to get clean like far as body wash. You're not going to use any body wash, any body soap or anything like that. So if you're not already clean, go ahead and take your quick shower. Go ahead and get yourself clean. Use your favorite body wash or whatever you want to use, your Honey on Blessed soap, it doesn't matter. Go ahead and clean your body first, okay? If you've already cleaned your body, you can go directly into running the warm water in your bathtub. Once you're running the warm water in your bathtub, you're going to go ahead and place your spiritual bath The bath salts that I gave you, you're going to place that in your bathtub. You don't have to use it all. You can use half, or you can use it all. It's completely up to you. Okay. If you decide to just use half, you're going to follow that with 8 drops of oil. 8 drops of the oil into the bath as well. If you want to use the entire, all of the bath crystals that you have, then you can go ahead and use 16 drops of oil into the tub. For my people that only have a walk-in shower, it's the same instructions. You're going to place your stuff into the bowl as you stand in the shower. Let the hot water run into that bowl. If you want to use half of the bath, that's fine. Use half, 8 drops of the oil. If you want to use the entire bath, that's fine. 16 drops of the oil. Okay. And when you step in the tub, you're going to step forward into the tub. Okay. So leg first, body first, shower into the shower is where you want to step forward. Okay. And while you are taking this bath, or while you're taking this shower, I want you to meditate on everything that is going on in your life. And I want you to imagine yourself feeling lighter. Okay. You're going to start to feel lighter because all of these burdens and everything that no longer serve purpose in your life is going to be released from you. So imagine it being released from you. If you're in your tub, do not pull the water towards you. Push the water away from you as you meditate, okay? We don't want to be in no longer than 30 minutes. 30 minutes is your max, okay? Push the water away from you. It's okay to close your eyes as you do this, okay? Imagine the life that you want to live, okay? While you push the water away from you, because once again, this is about cleansing. This is about releasing. You may notice that your body start to sweat a little bit because, hey, this is a detox bath. So it's going to remove any toxins as well, anything that is harming your body. So it's very great for your health, okay? It's going to make you feel a lot better. So once again, push everything away from you. If you want to take a bottle of water in there with you, that's okay. Push everything away from you. Once you're finished, once it has been 30 minutes, I want you to step backwards out of your tub, backwards out of your shower. See, typically when we get out of the tub or the shower, we just step out forward. No, I want you to step out backwards, okay? I want you to step out backwards, okay? Once again, we're releasing everything. After the bath, make sure that you go ahead and put your candle out. Don't blow it out. You can simply put your top back on and it'll go out. Do not blow it out. Put your top back on and it will go out. From there, you're going to go ahead and do your thing, dry off and all of that. Put on whatever oil you want to put on. If you want to use the protection oil that you have in your kit, that's completely okay. To oil yourself up. After that, you're going to get dressed. It's preferred that you put on something white, that you sleep in something white, whether that's a white t-shirt, a white nightgown, a white underwear. Just put on white, okay? After you put on your white, you're going to spray your spray, okay? Spray your spray 3 times in the air and then push it towards you, okay? As in you're going to inhale it in. Inhale it in very, very slowly. Then take a deep breath and exhale out. 3 sprays, okay? And that's it. That is very, very simple. That's all that it is to it. Disclaimer, warning, you're probably going to have some kind of very vivid dream, very lucid dream tonight. That is completely okay. A lot of things are going to be revealed to you. You're probably going to start noticing people no longer reaching out to you. That's just revelation that those people never even meant you any good in the first place, okay? You're gonna be very, like I said, you're gonna feel a lot better. You're gonna feel a lot lighter. Things are gonna start to happen for you. Your creative juices are gonna start to flow. It's okay to use that journal. I know it's small, but your creative juices are gonna start to flow. If you're a business owner, you're gonna know that you're gonna attract more clients in your business. Things are gonna expand. It may seem like it's moving fast, but guess what? Be prepared for it. Be ready for it. The worst thing that you can do is not be ready for the things that you have prayed for and the things that you desire. Just be ready for it because it's going to happen for you. The increase, the overflow, the abundance. You're highly protected. You're covered. You don't have to worry about the naysayers, the he say, the she say, the negativity, because you are releasing this from you today, tonight, whenever you decide to do your bath. Hey, and please reach out to me. Give me some feedback. Let me know how you feel, because you're going to feel very, very relaxed. You're going to be very, very relaxed. I know I said you could bring in a bottle of water for my wine drink, because you could even bring in a bottle of wine, okay? Whatever it is that suits you, but you're going to be very, very relaxed. You're going to have the best sleep that you have had in a long time. You're going to wake up in the morning feeling refreshed, revived, renewed. So just get ready for all of the many blessings that are getting ready to enter your life. And this, my friend, is the blessed experience. Have an amazing day.